It is a well-known fact that hair loss is a problem that can affect any one of us irrespective of our age, gender, or race. Therefore, there's a good chance that if you are yet to experience any hair loss whatsoever, sooner or later you very well might. While there are many causes of hair loss, the most common ones include hormonal changes, alopecia, nutritional deficiencies, male pattern baldness, stress, and even the use of some medications. Now, if you want a more in-depth look at the most common contributing factors to hair loss, you can check out the link in the description below this video. That said, whatever the cause of hair loss may be, finding the most effective ways to stimulate the hair follicles to reproduce is very important. The reality is, what works for one person may not necessarily work for you. So in this video, you're going to discover some simple but very effective tips and practices that you can follow to improve the chances of regrowing your hair while also putting an end to hair loss. So tip number 1, eating right for hair growth. As it turns out, what we eat majorly influences our hair health. If you don't take a balanced diet and you skimp on fruits and veggies, the chances of suffering from hair loss, even at an early age, are even higher. A diet that is not properly balanced usually leads to both mineral and vitamin deficiencies in the body, which can trigger loss of hair. So generally, it is advisable to eat food that are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, zinc, vitamin C, iron, vitamin B's, vitamin E, vitamin A, and lots of protein. Now tip number 2, massaging the scalp for hair growth. Lack of proper blood circulation in the head is one of the main causes of hair loss in men and women. Blood supplies the hair follicles with enough oxygen and nutrients, thereby stimulating hair growth. Therefore, regularly massaging our scalp increases blood flow to the hair follicles and thus strengthens the hair roots. For best result, you should massage the scalp and bald areas at least 3 times per week using natural oils to enhance the proper blood flow throughout your head. And tip number 3, try to manage your stress levels. You would be surprised at how much stress contributes to hair loss. As it turns out, stress tends to change the normal hormonal balance in the body. As such, if you're under stress and suffering from hair fall, it is advisable to find ways to manage and reduce your stress levels as much as possible. First, you should consider getting enough rest and sleep every day. Regular exercise such as jogging, yoga, aerobic activities, and walking are also very effective ways to fight stress and reduce hair fall. And tip number 4, use the right comb. When dealing with noticeable hair loss, combing your hair can prove to be a nightmare for most people. But with the right comb, this can definitely be made easier. The best comb to use should be wooden and white tooth for ease of untangling your hair. This type of comb helps reduce hair breakage and hair fall. In addition to this, you should not comb wet hair because hair tends to be more delicate when wet, thereby increasing the chances of breakage. And tip number 5, keep the scalp and hair clean. Maintaining a clean and healthy scalp is vital for healthy hair growth. Dirt and any buildup can cause clogging of your hair follicles, leading to the loss of your hair. On top of that, you should wash your hair at least 3 times a week using a mild shampoo or hair cleanser to get rid of any dirt, oil, and bacteria buildup. Additionally, during sweltering summer days or while exercising, you should always wipe your scalp as often as possible using a clean cotton cloth to keep it dry. This is because sweat can also clog your pores, which will prevent hair growth or even lead to loss of hair. And step number 6, choose your hair products wisely. Most hair care products on the market contains loads of harsh chemicals. From styling gel to shampoos and conditioners, most of them are loaded with chemicals that can damage your hair follicles and trigger hair fall. As such, you should try using shampoos and conditioners that are paraben, sulfate, and silicone free. As much as possible, always go for organic and chemical-free hair products so as to not cause any adverse reactions to your hair. In conclusion, dealing with hair loss can be a painful experience, especially if the condition does not seem to be improving. While there are many ways to stop hair fall, some just don't work. However, if you follow the tips that you've learned in this video, battling hair loss should be a lot easier than you thought. All you need is a little patience because results are not instant but gradual. So did you enjoy this video? If you do, be sure to click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, check out the links in the description for our recommended hair care products. And thank you so much for watching. We appreciate you, we love you, and we'll see you in the next video.